Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make a morning star. First, gather your materials. You'll need a sturdy wooden dowel, roughly 30 inches long, for the handle. Next, find a heavy metal ball, at least 2 inches in diameter, to serve as the weapon's head. Don't forget about 12 inches of strong chain and several sharp metal spikes. Always prioritize safety by wearing gloves and eye protection throughout the process. Now let's construct the head. Carefully drill a hole through your metal ball, making sure it's wide enough to thread the chain through. Use a robust metal ring to securely attach one end of the chain to the ball. Next, weld or firmly attach your metal spikes, distributing them evenly across the ball's surface. Double-check all connections to ensure they are incredibly strong and won't fail during use. Moving on to the handle assembly. Drill a hole into one end of your wooden dowel, ensuring it's the correct size for the chain. Carefully insert the free end of the chain into this hole. Securely fasten the chain within the dowel using a strong metal pin or a high-strength epoxy. For better grip and comfort, consider wrapping the handle with leather or specialized grip tape. This enhances control during use. Before concluding, perform final checks. Thoroughly inspect all connections, looking for any signs of weakness or looseness. Carefully test the morning star's balance and overall structural integrity. Remember, this is a dangerous item. Store your completed morning star in a secure location, away from unauthorized access. Always handle it with extreme caution and responsibility.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.